fish on. Small one. Lazy bite. Nice jump. Oh, that is my friend. Tool number one. Where are you going, you bugger? Not as big as yesterday. Yesterday I pulled about a 25-pounder out of here. This one looks to be about, oh gosh, I don't know. Come on, baby. So I'm out at Spirit Bay, cut plugging. Oh, caught by this stinger hook. This might be a quick release. That was a real weird bite. Oh yeah, there he is, right there. Go on down. Okay, time to net this puppy. We'll see how I do this time around. There we go, in the bag. Get this stuff out of the way. Well, that was pretty damn good. Should be an easy release. Where's that hook? You come out already? Nope. Caught him just under the jaw. Okay. Now get all these hooks out of here. Oh, about a nice little 6-pounder. Maybe 5. You know how fishermen are. There we go. It's a wild schnook. Oh, bit of sea lice on him. About a 3-pounder, 4-pounder. Beautiful fish. Give him a minute. Well, I'm having pretty good luck out here. Thanks to Chris from Trotac, who's now back out guiding and focusing more on his fishing tackle company called Red Herring, or parent company Right Angle. Red Herring is his fishing rod company, which I'm using, which is a 10.5 tool number 1. There we go. It's looking pretty good. Come on, baby. There we go.